Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your control panel. Then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select view by as large icons. Then just scroll down and click on power options. Once we are here, select power saver mode, then click on change plan settings, then click on change advanced power settings, and once we are here, you will get the you will get this type of section here. So you need to just expand the processor power management. After that, expand system cooling policy, and from on battery we need to select active instead of passive. Then click on apply and then OK. So currently on my system the options are not available, so these are the options. Go to processor power management, then go to system cooling policy and set active to the on battery mode. Once done, just restart the system and problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.